In a developing story back here at home, we are learning how decreased daylight is impacting brain health for some.
As Fox 23's Scott Martin learned, it can be really challenging for people dealing with Alzheimer's or dementia.
This is something for all of us to think about because it's tied to our day-to-day schedule, even sleep patterns. And the Alzheimer's Association says research shows years of sleep disruptions can lead to a higher risk of developing the disease. Now, for everyone, get as much daylight as you can. That's what they suggest. Yes, it's getting dark earlier now, but when it's nice out, the Alzheimer's Association recommends getting as much sunlight as possible. Now, for anyone currently living with Alzheimer's, with it getting dark sooner, there are fears of some people getting out or wandering, and it's cooler out too, so this could be really dangerous. Get a routine together to try and help mitigate any of those challenges. Maggie Gaskins with the Alzheimer's Association's Oklahoma chapter says social isolation is another thing to think about. People with a form of dementia need to keep their brains active.
Making sure that people are getting outside during those daylight hours, getting that vitamin D, getting that sunlight, which connects to being active, going for a walk, spending time outside, maybe seeing your neighbors who are also on a walk impacts that socialization aspect that's so good for your brain as well. So just being really mindful of both safety and getting plenty of sunlight. Those are really the key takeaways for this time of year.
Yeah, the two big takeaways right there. Gaskin says bottom line is also get a good night's sleep. It's one of the best things that we can all do for our brain health. If you'd like to learn more about how less daylight impacts our brain, we do have a link to that on this story on the free Fox 23 News app. Reporting in studio, covering news that matters, I'm Scott Martin, Fox 23 News.